Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to use photo as watch face on your Samsung Galaxy 6 watch. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you would need to open Galaxy wearable application and click on this button Watch Faces. After this, you would need to scroll through tabs until you see tab named Basic. And right here, the second watch face is exactly what we need. We click on it and wait until it installs on our watch. Now you can see this cute dog as a watch face on my watches. Now we would need to click on this blue button Customize. Right here we need to click on a tab Background. And right here you can import photos from your gallery to set them as watch face on your Samsung Galaxy 6 watch. Also, you can add up to 20 photos which will be shown on your watches as slideshow. So for example, let's add one picture with this minion. Click Done and choose how zoomed you want to see it on your watch face. And after, click Done. And after this, you can see on your watch your custom photo. But don't forget to click Save. And now you can see my custom photo shown as watch face on my watch. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.